Good morning, my dear students. So today we are going to learn binary search algorithm. We know in the sixth unit, the title itself, searching and sorting. What is searching? Searching to search an element in an array or not. Searching is a process or searching is a technique. It is used to search an element in an array or not, in a group of elements or not. Clear? And sorting is also a technique. So it is used to arrange n elements either ascending or descending order. That is called sorting. Okay. Then these are all the contents in your syllabus, 6th unit. In the last class, we learned linear search. Today I am going to give the demo on binary search. Before going to discuss the binary search, we need to revise the linear search technique. Just very few minutes. Okay. Then what is searching? Searching is an operation or a technique that helps find the place of a given element or value in the list. Any search is said to be successful or unsuccessful depending upon whether the element that is being searched is found or not. Some of the standard searching techniques that is being followed in the data structures listed below, those are linear search and binary search. The first one is the linear search technique. In the linear search technique, we can the linear search technique is also called sequential search algorithm. So in this algorithm, so linearly, then sequentially. So linear means one after another we can search the element, first element, second element, third element, fourth element until the element is success or occurred. Otherwise, the last element is completed. Clear? So then this is the algorithm for linear search algorithm. Here read the search element from the user, compare the search element with the first element in the list. If both are matched, then a display given element is found and terminate the function. If both are not matched, then compare search element with the next element in the list. Repeat 3 and 4, steps 3 and 4 until search element is compared with the last element in the list. If last element in the list also does not match, then display element is not found and terminate the function. This is an example. So these are the list of elements in an array. These are the list of elements or array of elements. So in this example, we want to search 12. Okay, 12 in the list or not. We want to search. So first element equal to 12, list of 0 element equal to 12, no, 65 equal to 12, no, then the control move index value 0 from 0 to 1. Then the next one value 20 is equal to 12, no, then the control move to 1 to 2. Then to second value is 10. Second value is 10. It can compare 10 equal to 12, no. Then the control moves from second to third. So then incrementation. So here third value 55 equal to 12, no. Then the control go to the next location 4. Fourth value equal to 32 equal to 12, no. Then fifth value 12 equal to 12, yes. The condition is success. Then the location equal to 5. That is an output. Clear? Okay. Then the next one is binary search algorithm. So here simply binary search algorithm. What is the difference between linear and binary search algorithm? First of all, we should know the difference between linear and binary search algorithm. So today we are going to learn binary search algorithm. So before going to learn binary search algorithm, first of all, we should know the difference between binary search and linear search. So linear search means, linear search is also called sequential search. Am I right or not? Linear search is also called sequential search. So in the linear search algorithm, we can search one after another. We can search an element one after another. So the given array is an unsorted array or sorted array, whatever it may be. Okay. But whereas in binary search algorithm, we should take the n elements in ascending order or descending order. Here we should maintain the elements either ascending or descending order in a binary search tree. Okay, sorry, binary search algorithm, sorry. Binary search algorithm. In the binary search algorithm, we should collect the elements. We should collect the elements either ascending or descending order. Whereas in binary search, then there is a sorted order or unsorted order. We can search in a sequential manner. Whereas in binary search, we can collect the array elements either ascending or descending order. All the elements must be in sorted order. Clear? That is the major difference between binary search and linear search. Clear? What is the major difference? In the linear search, the array elements may be sorted or unsorted array. Okay. But whereas in the binary search, we should maintain the sorted array. Okay. The elements in sorted array. Clear? So in binary search algorithm finds a given element in a list of elements with order of n log n time complexity, where n is the total number of elements in the list. The binary search algorithm can be used with only a sorted list of elements. Used with only a sorted list of elements. That means the binary search is used only with a list of elements that are already arranged in an order. That are already arranged in an order, sorted order. Clear? So that means the binary search is used only with a list of elements that are already arranged in a sorted order. Clear? All of you. So the elements must be sorted order in a binary search algorithm. The binary search cannot be used for a list of elements arranged in a random order. The binary search cannot be used for a list of elements arranged in random order. Clear? Cannot be used random order. This search process starts comparing the search element with the middle element in the list. This search process starts comparing the search element with the middle element in the list. Clear? So then if both are matched, then the result is element found. Otherwise, we check whether the search element is smaller or larger than the middle element in the list. Okay. Then if the search element is smaller, then we repeat the same process for the left sublist of the middle element. If the search element is larger, then we repeat the same process for the right sublist of the middle element. We repeat this process until we find the search element in the list or until we left with a sublist of only one element, and if that element also does not match with the search element, then the result is element not found in the list. So I will explain with an example. Just read. Binary search is implemented using following steps. Binary search is implemented using following steps. The first one is read the search element from the user, similar to linear search. Second one, find the middle element in the sorted list. Find the middle element in the sorted list. Clear? Compare the search element with the middle element in the sorted list. Next step, if both are matched, then display given element is found and terminate the function. If both are not matched, then check whether the search element is smaller or larger than the middle element. Step 6. If the search element is smaller than middle element, repeat step 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the left sublist of the middle element. If the search element is larger than middle element, repeat steps 2, 3, and 4, and 5 for the right sublist of the middle element. Repeat the same process until we find the search element in the list or until sublist contains only one element. If the element also does not match with the search element, then display element is not found in the list and terminates the function. So all of you. So I will explain the example of the binary search tree, binary search algorithm. You consider the following list of elements and the element to be searched. So these are the list of elements. These are all in ascending order, sorted list. Observe all of you, see this list. Example, let us consider this list. So these are all, these elements, all elements under in the array or sorted list, arranged in sorted list in the ascending order. I want to read a search element. Search element is 12. Search element is 12. All of you. Here start the process. In the step 1, search element 12 is compared with the middle element 50. Here simply, here search element is compared with the middle element 50. All of you, listen carefully. This is a sorted array. I want to divide the sorted array into two parts. I want to divide the sorted array into two parts. For example, this is the starting value 0. This is the end value. Or this is the top value. This is the bottom value. Clear? Here 0 address is the top of the array. Then so bottom is the 8. Clear? So here top where middle equal to top plus bottom by 2, 0 plus 8, 8 by 2 equal to 4. That is middle location. Clear? That is middle location. So now here search element 12 is compared with the middle element. Search element 12 is compared with the middle element. 12 equal to 50? Yes or no? No. Yes, all of you. 12 equal to 50? No. Then what we have to do? Then bottom equal to middle minus 1. Middle minus 1. What is the middle value? 4. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Then this is the top position. This is the bottom position. Simply it left this array. Clear? No need to search this array because search element is greater than less than middle element. Clear? That's why here no need to search all these elements. Then here it increases the time complexity, whereas in linear search it can search all the elements, but in the binary search no need to search the all elements. Simply it left the remaining array 55, 65, 80, 99. Then no need to search. Then the bottom equal to 3, top equal to 0. Then bottom equal to 3, then top equal to 0. Now here we want to find the middle element. Again we want to find the middle element means again we want to divide this array, top array. Again we want to find the middle element. So what is a bottom element? 3. What is a 0 plus 3 by 2 equal to 1. So 0 plus 3 equal to 3 by 2 equal to 1. Clear? So simply then 12 equal to 12, that is the middle element. 12 equal to 12, if it is yes or no? No need to compare with the middle element. Okay. Search element is solved compared with the middle element 12, both are equal. Then search is found at index 1. Control exit from the loop. So how many steps is required? How many steps are required? Only 2 steps are required to find this element. Clear? One more example. So take one more example. So in this example, okay, these are all the elements. Total how many elements are there? 9 elements. Here 0 to 8, total 9 elements. This is the bottom value 0. This is the top value 0. This is the bottom value 8. So I want to find the middle value. A top plus bottom by 2. 0 plus 8 by 2 equal to 4. What is our search element? 80. 80 equal to list of fourth location value 50? No, not equal. 80 is greater than 0? Yes or no? If it is yes, you no need to compare all these elements. Clear? Then your top equal to your middle plus 1. This is top. Fifth location equal to top. Okay? So then this is the array. Okay, all of you. No need to compare all these elements because our search element is greater than middle element. That's why. So less than array is erased. Clear? Then this is the array. So what is the top value? 5. What is the bottom value? 8. Again, I want to find the middle element. 5 plus 8, 13 by 2 equal to 6. A of 6 location equal to 65. 65 equal to 80? No. Yes or no? No. Again, 65 greater than 80? Yes or no? No. Then bottom equal to 65. Clear? Here top equal to 5, bottom equal to 6. 5 plus 6, all of you. 5 plus 6 equal to simply, okay. So then here 65 is greater than middle element, greater than or equal to middle element. Leave this array. Then 80 and 99. 80 and 99. Here 7 plus 8, 15 by 2 equal to 7. Clear? You have 7 location value equal to 80. Both are equal. So if it is equal, then search is found at location equal to 7. Here how many steps required? Only for 3 steps to required. Like in a linear search, how many repetitions are there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 repetitions. 8 times loop repeats. But whereas in binary search algorithm, no need to repeat 8 times. Then 3 times is enough to search an element in this example. Okay, in this example, 3 loops. Here step 1, here loop 2, then loop 3. This is the loop 3. Clear? In the loop 3, 80 is compared with the middle element. That is 80 equal to 80. Yes. Simply the element found at location equal to 7. Clear? So only 3 steps required. Then the remaining no need. Okay. This is an advantage of binary search. The second advantage is, the second difference is, in a linear search algorithm, it will take more time to search an element. Whereas in binary search algorithm, it will take very less time to search an element. Clear? So this is also an advantage of binary search. Clear? Next one is Fibonacci search. So before going to discuss Fibonacci search, I repeat the same example. Binary search. So in this example here 12. So 10, 12, 20, 32, 50, 55, 65, 80 and 99. This is the top value. This is the bottom value. Then the array, the list, top equal to 0 and bottom equal to my 8. So I want to middle value. How to calculate middle value? Here top plus bottom by 2, 0 plus 8 by 2 equal to 4. That is the middle element. That is the middle element. This is middle element. If the middle element equal to our search element 12, both are equal, not equal. Not if not equal, again check the condition. If the search element is greater than middle element, no. Yes or no? No, then the bottom 8, the bottom equal to middle minus, what is a middle value? 4. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. The bottom equal to third location. Clear? So simple, it left this array. It left this array. Clear? The control moves from here to then upper array. Clear? So 10, 12, 20, 32. So then your bottom equal to 32, top equal to 10. Again, I want to find the middle element. Here again, I want to find the mid 0 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 equal to 1. Clear? So a list of one location value is 12. 12 equal to 12. Both are equal. Yes or no? If the both are equal, then the search element is found at location 1. Clear all of you? This is the binary search algorithm. One more example for binary search algorithm. One more example for binary search algorithm. Here search element 80 is compared with middle element. So this is the list element, list of items. These are the list of items, all of you. So 10, 12, 20, 32, 50, 55, 65, 80 and 99. So I want to search an element 80 having the array or not. Clear? Having an array or not. So your search element is 80 compared with the middle element. How to calculate the middle element? Your top value plus bottom value by 2, that is equal to middle element, where middle element equal to top plus bottom by 2. Top index value is 0, bottom index value is 8. 0 plus 8 by 2 equal to fourth location. Clear? A of 0 and A of 8. 0 plus 8 by 2 equal to 4. Clear? This is the middle element. So middle element equal to 50 equal to 80 search element? No. If it is no, then go to the next statement. If 50 is greater than 55, no. If it is no, then bottom equal to middle minus 132. Sorry. If 80 is greater than 50, yes, the condition is true. Then top equal to middle plus 1, that is equal to 5 location. Again, find the middle value. Here top plus bottom by 2, 5 plus 8 by 2 equal to 6. This is 65. So then this is equal to search element 80. No. Again, then here 7, 8. Here this is the top element. This is the bottom element. Top plus bottom by 2. Okay. Top plus 7 plus 8. That is 15. 15 by 2 equal to so 7. Clear? Here F7 equal to 80. Search element equal to 80. If it is yes, then search is found at location. Otherwise, not found. Clear? So this is the searching binary search technique. All of you, binary search technique. Next one, I will show the animation. So listen careful, all of you. This is an array. All of you, this is an array. The array contains sorted elements ascending order. Sorted elements ascending order. So he want to search an element 50 in this an array. Okay, he want to search an element 50 in this an array. Clear? So then the next one. So here, then this is the minimum value. This is the maximum value. This is the minimum value. 0 is the minimum of the index. That is called top of the array. Next one, bottom value 9. That is the maximum value in the array. Clear? The upper and lower bounds are minimum and maximum respectively. Clear, all of you? So next one is find the middle element, where middle equal to min plus max by 2. 0 plus 9 by 2 equal to F fourth location. F with this compared with 57, both are equal, not equal. Then the bottom value, top value moves from here. Minimum equal to mid plus 1. Minimum equal to mid plus 1. F5 location. Then again find the minimum value, where mid equal to min 5 plus maximum value 9. 5 plus 9 by 2 equal to 7. That is the middle value. Then compare both. 25 equal to 57? No. So then 57 greater than 25? Yes, then min equal to mid plus 1. Then this is the minimum and that is the maximum. Again, mid value is calculated. So 8 plus 9 by 2, 17 by 2 equal to 8. 17 by 2 equal to 8. A mid is compared with 57. Both are equal, yes. If it is yes, control exit from the loop, the search is success. Search is success. Clear? I repeat the same. Watch clearly. So in the binary search algorithm, we should take the elements in ascending or descending. So this is the logic for ascending only, not descending. This is the logic for ascending elements, not descending. Watch. See, all of you, seriously. Then find the middle element, where mid equal top plus bottom by 2 and minimum plus max by 2 equal to 4. So 11 equal to 57, not equal. Then compare 57 greater than 11. If it is yes, min equal to middle plus 1. That is equal to 5. Next one again, mid is calculated. So mid is calculated. 5 plus 9 by 2. 14 by 2 equal to 7. So F7 location value equal to search value 57, not equal. Again, check the condition 57 greater than 25. If it is yes, then min equal to mid plus 1. That is equal to 57. What is the minimum value? 8. What is the maximum value? 9. Again, find the middle value. 8 plus 9, 17 by 2 equal to 8. So now, again, compare middle value equal to search value. If it is yes, search is found. Search is found. Yes, I repeat the same. Again, I repeat the same. Watch. Binary search and linear search. These two are the most important. So he will ask linear search algorithm or binary search algorithm. Either that or this. So you will get guarantee question. Either binary search or binary search or linear search. Either binary search or linear search. The last question, first bit. So in the end examinations, they will ask. Most important. If the time will permits us, I will explain in the classroom. Okay. So binary search algorithm. Okay. Two searching algorithms are our linear search and binary search. Two types of searching techniques are our. These two are the most important. So these two are the most important. Clear? So then next one, Fibonacci search algorithm. Fibonacci search algorithm. All of you. So tomorrow we will discuss Fibonacci search algorithm. Clear? Fibonacci search algorithm and hashing. Fibonacci search algorithm and hashing tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, ma? All of you. So today session is ended. Okay, today's session is ended. Okay, ma. Bye. All the best.